Hey, Crystal, what's up?
I need to take my mind off stuff, so we're gonna go shopping. Hello friends, hello friends, we're here at Ross.
Let's shop with Crystal. We're gonna shop with Crystal. Let's shop with Crystal.
Hello friends, we're here at Aldi and look at these awesome tumblers for Mother's Day. They even have Dog Mom, and then they also have Mom with the beautiful floral print, and then we also have the sassy leopard print. And these do not have a price on them, but I did bring the little flyer, so I will let you know. All right, they also have the pouch. They have Dog Mom. They have Mom Era. These are only $6.99, which I think is a pretty good deal. You could put like a Sephora card or an Ulta card. This one's Mama in Lavender. And then this one is the one that says Mom Era. So those are adorable. And then we also have, these are the ribbed glass candles. There's 2 of them for $4.99. And I think they're, okay, so this one comes in cotton cream. And then we also have, ooh, let's see. Okay, so there's 2. I like that. All right. We have cotton cream. And then we also have raspberry vanilla. And then there's a pink, I'm sorry, there's a green one. And let me see what this one would be. The green one looks like it is, I cannot read that. It looks like it's Passion Mist. Passion Mist. All right, that's all I can see from it. All right, and then we also have the reed diffuser, amber, lime, bergamot, cashmere, tonka, and then we also have jasmine, saffron, and cedar. And I think, oh, here it is. I think this, okay, so the tumblers are $8.99. It just came off of there. Okay, so it's those are $8.99. Yay, that was an easy fix. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. And then we also have the 2-wick candles for $5.99. Jasmine, saffron, and cedar, blue, agave, and cuckoo, and amber, lime, and bergamot. So basically the same. They're the same scent as the reed diffusers and the doubles. Not bad, not bad. Okay. They also have these adorable, I want to say they're periwinkle blue for $19.99, the little igloos. Aren't those super stinking cute? And these hold a 12 cans. That's what it says. So maybe there were more colors before. I'm not sure, but I do like this color. And they also have these beautiful pillows. Look at that bow tie. That is cute. All right, we definitely need a picture of that one. I like the tan, the neutral. You keep this out all year round. That is awesome. And then we also have the floral with the scalloped look. I'm totally digging that. And oh my goodness, look at the heart. That is a pretty pink. And then it has the ruffle with the gingham. We'll need a picture of that. I also like this. I think this honestly looks the most high end. I kind of like it for an outdoor pillow, although I don't think it's an outdoor pillow. It's just it's an indoor decor pillow, and I will get a price for you guys for this one. All right, so there was a pink bow one, and probably that sold out. Oh no, it didn't. Awesome. Okay, so we're able to. All right, so able to get you guys a picture of that too. Sweet. Love when that happens. Look at how nice this cherry, I guess it's a gardening bag? I don't know. I did not see it in the flyer, but I'm definitely going to take a picture of this. And I'm going to try and find the price for you. Okay, I was looking for the price for the pillows in their little flyer, and I wasn't able to find it. But hopefully I'll be able to find it. So give me a moment. All right, they do have the faux floral drop-in impatiens for $9.99 each, and look at how beautiful those look. They're very vibrant in color. All right, so these city totes are $6.99, and you have it in this color, which is kind of a hard color to describe. And sorry, I'm so up close. Okay. They also have it in the palm trees. That is cute. I like that. That's very summery. Cute little summer look going on there. And let's see. They also have it in this floral, which is nice. And trying to see if I'm missing anything. All right, so we have the cherry, the red, the palm trees, and the floral. Again, $6.99. They also have the 2-pack of soft bras for women, $9.99, and this one's in black. This one's in tan. It goes from small to extra large. They also have chonies, and again, from small to extra large. Those are also $6.99. And then we also have the satin gift set. You get, all right, what do we get? 5 pieces. Wow. All right, for $5.99. Watch out. Okay, so it looks like we get 2 pillowcases and the sleeping mask, the headband, and the eye mask. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, right? Okay. And it comes in floral, the leaves, more leaves. Oh, the pink is cute. That's pretty. Let's take a look at that one. Yeah, you get 2 pillowcases. That is a really good deal. All right, we also have the Conair Summer Vibes, $12.99, all-in-one facial trimmer and wet dry foil shaver. Oh, okay. Got to trim up for summer. They also have these really cool journals for $9.99, and this one has letters to my daughter. That would be awesome. I would love something like that. All right, then we also have Funny. Okay, I like jokes. Memories, my life, memories and adventures, and then back to Funny. Okay, so there's a green one. Oh, they have one for the son. They have one for parents. These are $9.99 each, and that's a cool idea. I like that. I really, really do. All right, we also have the jeggings. And these are Capri jeggings coming in at $8.99. So they have the darker wash. They have the lighter one. It has an elastic band. This one has like a flare. I like the flare. And then this one is more like the skinny jean. And then they also have it in black with a little bit of a bell-bottomy flare. And then we also have the robes for mom at $12.99. And then we also have these dresses. And again, these go from size small to extra large. We also have these gorgeous bird feeders. These are glass. And these are only $9.99. And look at, they have the yellow, they have the blue, they have the red. And they're glass, which is really awesome. And then we also have these planters for $5.99. I love the yellow, the blue, and the green. You can get the large one for $5.99, or you can get the set of 2 for $5.99. So that's cool. And they also have the vertical solar address stake. That's going to be $12.99, and that's another really good deal as well. And they have more of the faux flowers in red and white for $12.99. And these are geraniums. And then they also have the faux floral bouquet. These are going to be $9.99. And then they also have the candles for mom. The best mom ever. In my mom era. And then they also have it in the leopard doggy mama. $4.99. These are 3-wick candles. And they also have the smaller candles for like your nurse. Thank you. These are $2.99. We also have sheets coming in at $29.99. It's a 4-piece sheet set, queen size, and you're gonna get the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, and 2 pillowcases. I'm seeing it in the tan, the white, and it looks like we have that mint green back there. Another really good deal for $29.99. And we also have some really cool earrings. These are going to be $4.99. You have tequila earrings, you have martini earrings, you have sunglasses and flowers and iced coffee earrings. And then repeat. So $4.99 for each pair. And then we also have the solar lanterns in the bronze and in the black. These are going to be $7.99 each. We also have these 3D hanging wind spinners, $6.99. Blue, purple, red. Yep, those are the colors that I'm seeing. And again, a really great deal for only $6.99. We also have more solar lights, and they come in the black, and this is kind of like a rust color, I want to say. Those are going to be $6.99. They also have the trough planter, $12.99. They also have the solar Highland cow and the lighthouse along with the frog, and these are going to be $9.99. They also have the double stake spinners, and these are going to be $6.99. I'm seeing the yellow with the ladybug. And then we also have the yellow orange with the blue. And we also have this really nice bronze. And again, these are going to be $6.99 each. So, not a bad deal. We also have these nice umbrellas, $5.99. You have the floral, you have the stripes, the red. They also have the hanging hammock chair, and it's only $19.99, which is awesome. Alright, so they do have it in the blue and white. They have it in, it looks like the taupe and white, and then in this khaki green and white. And you can see, like, there's the taupe, there's the khaki green, and then there's the navy blue and white. So that is a really good deal. And then they also have the wooden planter with trellis, $19.99. And they also have the wooden potting bench. I think that's $19.99 as well. So they have some really good deals for outdoor. I know that these sell out really quick. These are very, very popular, and yeah, they're really popular. For $19.99, I totally get it. We already have a hammock, so I don't need one, but it's adorable. And they also have Johnny Pops. These are cotton candy. Those are new. They also have the mango with chili lime fruit bars. They have the regular lemon ones. And then they also have the chocolate covered bananas. And they also have the white chocolate cinnamon granola crunch bananas. And the pops are going to be $4.95. And the bananas, I'm not seeing a price. But let's see, the mango chilies are going to be $3.89. I'm not seeing a price on the bananas. Sorry. Ooh, look, we have the bomb pops. Love that. $3.35. We also have the strawberry and vanilla swirl for $4.49. Chocolate donuts, no way, $4.99. Yasso, the mint chip, $5.39. And we also have Blue Ribbon Classics, the fudge bar. There's not a price. Alright, look at the cinnamon churro. Ooh, those look good. Okay, the fudge bars are $6.19. The apple pie is $14.95. Those cinnamon churros, ice cream sandwiches look amazing. Yum, yum. And their mini muffins, strawberry yogurt and banana, $2.75. And then look, we have the cinnamon churro twists. Those are only $1.39. So those are new to me. Yeah, not a whole lot of excitement going on in the Funzy aisle, but I just wanted to come by because it's been a couple weeks since we've been here at Aldi. And I'm actually going to call it, my friends. That's what I found, and that's what I found. All right, as always, have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me here at Aldi Funzy aisle.